Hello and welcome to Any Skill. Turn confusion into career clarity. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever sat with your books and thought, what am I even doing with my life? Or maybe you've been watching tons of videos online, hearing advice from everyone, but still left confused. Parents say one thing, friends are doing another, and you're stuck wondering what you should do. This confusion, it's real, and almost every student goes through it. But here's the good news. Confusion is the first step to clarity if you have the right guidance. And that's exactly why we created the AnySkill app. No matter which stream you're from, science, commerce, or arts, we've got courses that match your interests, your goals, and even your current skill level. From coding to communication, graphic design to data science, spoken English to financial literacy, we have everything in one place. AnySkill caters to students seeking to enhance their knowledge, professionals aiming to upskill or reskill, job seekers looking for new opportunities, lifelong learners passionate about continuous education. And the best part, you don't need to guess. The app helps you choose the right course based on your preferences and goals. So no more random learning. So are you ready to take control of your future? Stay with us till the end of the session. We will be doing a session how to use the app. Let's get started and open the door to exciting opportunities with AnySkill. You're just 4 simple steps away from finding the right course and getting complete clarity to your career path. Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Search and select any course that matches your interests or goal. Step 2. Choose a learning plan, whether you want to go from basic to beginner, advanced, or even professional. Step 3. Add your course to the classroom. Step 4. Pick between our free features or unlock the full experience by opting for a premium class. And that's it. Your course is ready. I hope these steps are clear to everyone. If you're all set, I'll now take you through the key features that makes AnySkill truly powerful for your learning journey and career. Now I'll walk you through the home pages of AnySkill application. Think of AnySkill application like a real school. If you want to study something, the first step is to go to the classroom. Because it's in the classroom that you find the teachers, the subjects, the chapters, and all the learning material. In the same way, in the AnySkill app, before you can explore the content or start learning, you need to use the Add to Classroom option. This is just like entering a real classroom. Once you add a course to the classroom, you will be able to see all the topics, lessons, and resources. Just like how in a physical classroom, the teacher shows you what to study. So remember, to start exploring and learning in the AnySkill app, your first step is to add to classroom. That's your entry ticket to learning. The AnySkill app is built around 3 powerful sections. We will uncover them step by step. The first one is Search Your Course, under which we have 24,000 plus courses. Then we have the demanding courses, technical course, non-technical course, and vocational course. At the last, we have the career bundles. It is one of the most exclusive and interesting feature of our AnySkill application. We will uncover it at the end of the session. Stay tuned. Now let's see the first section, that is Search Your Course. In the home pages, you can find the Search Your Course option. Once you click on that, this page pops up where you can search any course of your choice. For example, I have searched for Java course. Once you select it, you will get the plan page. Whether it is coding, marketing, or creative design, if you think it, you can search it. Find the course that matches your dream instantly. Select the premium or free features. One-time activation, lifetime access. And after that, you're in the course, which means you've already entered the classroom. Before we go through the features, I will quickly show you how to add our demanding courses to the classroom under another key section of the AnySkill app. In the home page, if you scroll down, you will find the demanding courses, which are categorized into 3 sections: technical courses, non-technical courses, and vocational courses. Just for an example, I'm choosing Office Automation, which comes under technical course. Once you select the course, you will reach a page where you can find 10 courses under Office Automation. Either you can add all the courses to the classroom, or you can add any one course of your choice to the classroom. Choose from basic to beginner, advanced, or even go all the way to professional. And now that you've landed here, let's explore the features. This means you've already entered the classroom. Now you will get to see how the teaching style, the chapters, make your learning journey smooth and effective. And now your classroom tab is active because you have added the courses to the classroom, and that's why you're able to see this page. AnySkill is a complete career journey, all in one place. Course content to help you learn job-ready skills, Certification Hub to test yourself and build credibility, Job Hub to prepare for real interviews, create your resume and get career support, personalized panel that acts like your personal library. The third section is the career bundles. As I told you, we will uncover it in the end. Since I had selected the Java course, I can see the course in my classroom and I have to click on Go to Class. Once you click on it, we will get this page. Under course content, we have course description, chapter notes, topic explanation, FAQs, practicals, projects, assignments, and reference videos. The first one is the course description. Language should never be a problem. Some people understand basic English, but when they read the same thing in their own language, they understand it better and faster. That's why AnySkill gives you the option to change the language. We offer 9 language options, and once you switch, all the course content will appear in that language. You can change it anytime you like. Next, we have the chapter notes. There is no shortcut to learning. You have to study to get your certificate. The course might feel big or difficult, so we've made it easier by dividing the entire course to chapters and chapters to topics for you to understand easily. This way, you won't miss out anything. As you can see in the screen, there are chapters and under them we have the topics. Once you click on the topic, you will get the whole course content. The next main key feature is our topic explanations. Every student learns differently, and now AnySkill speaks your language. Our topic explanation makes it easier than ever to learn with clarity and comfort. As you can see on the screen, we offer 9 languages. Once you select your preferred language, the whole course content will start playing in that specific language. Then we have FAQs. Each course comes with its own FAQ section to address your common questions and provide quick support. Practicals. Our courses are designed for hands-on learning, featuring 9+ practical activities per course, with detailed solutions provided for every exercise. Projects. Each course includes real-time projects with complete solutions to help you gain practical experience. Assignments. Every course comes with assignments designed to give you more practice and build your confidence. Reference videos. Each course provides reference videos with direct YouTube links to support your learning journey. The Certification Hub is designed to help you practice, revise, and validate your skills, whether it's a quick test for revision or a mock exam to practice for the real thing. You'll find it all in one place. Here we have the topic test. You will get explanations for all the right and wrong options. Then we have the quick test or the chapter test. Once that is done, you can attempt mock exam to practice. After that, finally we have an online exam. Once you pass the exam, you'll receive a certificate along with an authenticated ID. You can access it anytime, anywhere. Now you have earned your certificate and you have access to powerful career tools like Resume Builder, interview questions, interview warm-up, and job assistance. In the Resume Builder, you can build your resume. Then we have interview questions, where you will get your course-related questions to prepare you for the interview. Then we have interview warm-up. It is a one-on-one personal session to prepare you for the interview. At last, we have job assistance. where you get career options related to the course you have selected. Then we have personalized panel. It is like your personal library where you will be able to access to your certificates, your career bundles and all your transactions. One of the most powerful and exclusive features of the AnySkill app is the career bundles, a smart structured way to learn everything you need for your dream job, all in one place. And the best part, you won't find this anywhere else. Select the career bundle option in the home page and then search your goal. Just to show you an example, I have selected business analyst and I have opted for the basics to professionals, and you can see the list of courses that are available. Without a roadmap, learning is like driving without GPS. But with AnySkill's clear-cut roadmaps, you'll always know the next turn, the final destination, and how fast you're progressing. Let's say you want to become a marketing analyst. Instead of wasting time figuring out what to learn, we've already done the hard work for you. You'll get access to a complete bundle of 15 plus courses specially curated for that role. Each course inside the bundle contains 10 to 15 carefully selected topics. Everything is organized in a step-by-step journey, starting from beginner level and growing to advanced skills. Whether you're just starting or switching careers, you'll never feel lost. You don't have to search, guess, or switch between platforms. Just pick your career goal and AnySkill shows you the exact skills you need, the order to learn them, and the test to prove yourself, all in one smooth path. Each course you attempt, once you complete it, you will get a specific examination marks sheet. Once you complete all the courses in the career bundle, you will receive a master certificate. We've now covered every day, so let's go through a quick checklist to make sure we've covered all our signature features. We have clear-cut roadmaps for each and every course. Career bundles. Explanations are accessible in any language. One-time purchase, lifetime access. Let me tell you why you should choose AnySkill. AnySkill offers extensive course library with 70,000 plus courses and 40,000 plus career bundles. It also serves holistic learning experiences with topic explanations, detailed chapter notes, accessible FAQs, practical projects, engaging assignments, and curated reference videos. Now we have a short overview of the application's background. AnySkill is a flagship initiative by Capital Computers International Private Limited, powered by The Learnin. Our mission is to deliver a dynamic learning platform that empowers individuals to realize their full potential and succeed in their careers. We are dedicated to making high-quality education accessible, enabling learners to grow, adapt, and excel in an ever-evolving world. We are into education from the past 30 years. We have multiple physical centers in Bangalore. We have another education platform called The Learnin. Under Capital Computers International Private Limited, 2 lakh plus students have passed out through our organization and have gained certificates. Before I end, I would like to say that remember, your career doesn't wait, and neither should you. You have already taken your first step, and now don't take your step back. For any queries, contact our Gmail ID
support@anyskill.com
and our WhatsApp number 9035184340. Thank you.